How to fix Content Still Encrypted Steam. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and in the search bar, go ahead and search for command prompt and right click onto it, then tap on run as administrator. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and type in netsh space winshock space reset. Once you do that, tap on enter and you'll get this message. So once you do that, head back to your home screen. Now in the search bar, go ahead and search for network reset. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap on reset now. This is gonna restart your PC. So once you are done, go ahead and open Steam, log into your Steam account, simply tap on Steam again, then tap on settings. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and tap on downloads, and then under download, you'll find download reason. So you want to set this reason to where you live or closest to where you live. So once you do that, you'll then be able to fix that issue. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.